Just realised I forgot to switch my headphones on. So. Also just realised that will make a difference, yeah, because I don't have my mic on, but oh well. I've also just realised that you cannot read where it says starting soon. So like, this is very like not obvious that it's a starting soon, but oh well. I'm gonna just go to... For God's sake! Sorry if you have epilepsy or something. There we go. Oh, great. Now? You seem to be working? Cool, I'm gonna take it as you're working. I should probably turn down the music. It already is down actually, oh well. Turn more down. So, I came up with an idea for a minigame style thing that I want to code. I've already started coding it like a tiny bit, but I've not really made like any progress yet. So I've realised that the main reason I struggled with the last time I tried coding on stream was because it was a design, which is not something I'm very good at, but this isn't really design as much, so I'm gonna try it again and see how it goes. Fingers crossed it goes well and we end up with a working plugin. That would be fun. I've also got to hope that I don't dox myself somehow, but we'll find out. Does it show the chat? Okay, it does show the chat there. Overlay. Oh, it doesn't. I don't have the chat on screen anyways. Oh well. Sure, this works then. Yeah. So, what was I doing? I felt like I was going to do something before I just get into coding. Oh yeah, I should probably explain what the plugin is. So the idea of the plugin is just... The original idea is players are competing to get as many unique items as possible. And they get like a point for each item. But then I realised that it'll be cool if players could still get some points for items they already have. So my idea is you'll get 1 point for your first item, but then if you get another 2 items, you get a second point, another 4, a third point, 8, 16, 32, 64. It could be like 3, 9, 27, whatever, or it could be like somewhere in between somehow. It's just logarithms, but something along those lines to award points. And it might be configurable, whether or not you'll lose the items or not. But for the time being, I'm going to say you will. So you'll have to deposit the items into an inventory that you can't actually access. This is just an inventory for this plugin. And the points are calculated based on that rather than like having a separate points store. So anyways, I'm gonna just get into it. For now, I'm just structuring the commands. I might have actually already done, to be fair. So there's starting, there's a help command which is just built into this framework I'm using called ACF by ACAR. So you can reset all of the items like in the inventories. You can stop the plugin if you want to, like this just stops it from tracking items. You can deposit items. By default it'll just deposit whatever's in your hand. But you can select like an amount from your hand, or you can select an amount and the item type that you want to deposit, and you'll find it in your inventory. And then this is probably going to be the trickiest part of the plugin, is showing your inventory. Well, actually, the trickiest part will be this and showing a scoreboard. I want the scoreboard to be optional, and there'll be a separate scoreboard command. Actually, no. Leaderboard LB, because I don't want it to be confused with the actual scoreboard. I could have like a scoreboard toggle thing. Actually, no, that should probably just be a config. And I'm not going to sort out configs just yet. I'm just going to have defaults for now. So public void on leaderboard. and that doesn't need any parameters, I don't think. And then for now, this can just be a to-do. So then the next thing will be to make it actually track items that you get. So I'm gonna just have it in here for now in the plugin itself. Implements, it is just listener, right? Yeah. Oh, whatever then. And then is it just this dot listen? I cannot remember how to do it. I should probably just Google it, but I want to avoid Googling it as much as possible. Not because it's cheating, because that's just how development works, but mostly just because I don't want to find a way to dox myself if I type the wrong thing. This nag thing's kind of cool. I noticed that earlier when I was doing system.out.println test just to make sure the plugin was running properly, and it was telling us to nag the author of the plugin. Sorry. I guess get server.register listeners, is it? Listener plugin. I'm just gonna have to Google it. Get plugin manager. What was that? Cool. And actually, I don't think I even need this. Cool. And then at event handler, public void on. I guess just is there a get item event? Player item. My worry is that this won't include if you like take an item from a chest or if you craft an item or something. Is it just like an inventory change event? Is it documented? Called when I specifically. I'll just do inventory event and then look at if you can't tell, I have not coded a plugin in a while. I'm just gonna get the spigot doxer. Actually, wait, I'm using paper, so there might actually be special ones there. Paper MC, API, event docs. Yeah, that's cool and all, but I just want a list. Does this not have a proper docs? Like a Java docs? About inventory. Nope. Player. Don't know what an unknown entity would be, but sure. Also, this is cool. guess this doesn't include upstream. I'll just have to... Okay, this includes bucket at least. So event.inventory and player, because presumably it'll be in one of those. I'm gonna have to just hide the chat. So sorry if somebody comes in and typed, but I'm not able to see chat for the time being. Yeah, this is specifically from the ground. I just want to... Well, to be fair, I don't need creative event. I'll probably just exclude players who are in creative. Okay, well, I'm definitely gonna need this. Or the non-deprecate version. What is it if you, like, craft an item, though? Craft item event. What am I doing? I said earlier that I was just gonna do deposit. I don't know what I'm doing here. This is why I don't code on stream. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Yeah, so I don't need any events, I don't think. Oh well. I guess the first one I'll do then is deposit. So, if amount equals null, actually no, I'll do it end to front. If item type equals null, then item type equals, and then I'll need player. Does there need to be specific command sender, or can I limit it to just players? Guessing. Oh wait, no. Okay, well, it'll be bucket specific. So then what specific ones are there already? Okay, so player. Okay, so this is... Okay, so this will be if it was a parameter. Okay, that's why I was confused, because I wasn't sure how it differentiated between if I was trying to just get the player who sent the command, or if I was trying to make a parameter which was a player. So player, and this will have to be not null. Equals player dot get. Is it just hand? Get main hand. Dot is okay. Yeah, AI is just being dumb. How do I just get the item stack? Wait, what is main hand like an enum left or right? Okay, that is not quite what I meant. I guess I'll be get inventory then, and then get item in main hand. Cool. Dot get type, and then if amount equals null, and then yep. How does ACAR handle that? Does it say? Is that just an int? Oh, I'm guessing it has to be an integer. I feel like that would be a frequently asked question. Have a look at the examples, because surely there'll be one where they've used an integer. Sorry. Oh, they just have it as a string. That's kind of annoying. Ah, no. Okay, so yeah, it needs to be the not primitive version. I'll check that notification in a second. I'm not going to check it on stream. Alright, I'm just going to... Will full screen work? Because usually it doesn't work. It works for once. Why does my stream deck not usually work? Okay. And then... Okay, amount's not going to be null then. Hello there. Is there a way that amount could be null there? I don't think so. I'm just going to assume it can't for now. So then... I mean, I only need to check if they have the right amount in a certain case. I was about to type a let. I'm so used to JavaScript. Boolean items removed equals false. Items removed is true. Player dot... Oh wait, I should probably... Actually, I don't even need start and stop in that case, if it's just going to be a deposit. See, I'm going to just do that. And then player dot... What was I doing? Oh, right, yeah. Get inventory. And then... main... oh, set item in main hand. Can I just set it as null? Oh. Yes, it's nullable. Cool. And I'm guessing that should just set it to air. And then does it return anything? No. Okay, so I just assume that it works. Cool. And then if item type equals material dot actually there's like a material dot is air thing, right? Okay, I guess not. Exclamation marks better. Actually, wait, no, I'll do a return. I think that's why I had by default and I removed it for some reason. Do you test as you're going with plugins? Yes, but only once I have something like substantial that works, because it's annoying to start the server every time. I'll quickly show you how long it takes to compile and start the server, so you get an idea of why I can't just constantly test. Like, this is why I love web development, because there's hot reload and I can literally just have the browser on the side, have the code on the other side, and it just loads instantly. I don't watch football. So yeah, this is still like just building the plugin. There is a way to do hot reloading in Spigot. You still need to recompile it each time, but you can like have the server already running, but it's iffy, so I avoid it. So now it's finally starting the server. I guess I can at least test that this part works. Nice. Might as well continue a bit. If not, items. Oh, is that it done? I think that's it's done. Oh, wrong thing. Oh, it wasn't done. Oh, and there is an error, great. Oh, I forgot to shade it. I'll hide that for a bit. Just while I change file, because I could not see that properly. Okay, I think they had a thing about exactly how to shade it. Even yep. Just copy this and then I'll modify it a bit. I'm guessing this is just a built-in thing. Sure. Oh wait, no, I'm guessing it's dot. Oh, that wasn't meant to go. Oh, okay then. Yep. That should shade it properly. I do want to enable the minimize jar thing though. I'm going to quickly go on full screen while I copy that over, because I want to make sure I don't leak something somehow. I'll just copy it from that's game mode, sure. Yeah, out of here, configuration, because I would like to have it minimized. was that? I keep blanking out for some reason. Screw chat. And then I'll just move this into here. I already removed. Okay, just my ID being weird then. Okay. Guess I'll just make sure that this works. I'll just run that in the background while I continue. Random. Yeah. Anyways, if not items are removed, then is that an actual thing? I doubt it, but. It just removes all of them though. I'll remove item any slot. Is there an amount? Oh. Okay. What's the difference between this and search as all? I'll just do the main storage contents. I don't want to like remove armor and stuff. That seems unnecessary. And like it would be unexpected. I'm not responding to that. And also I actually know Derp, so he's perfectly fine to be into this. You're the one who should maybe keep out of this. Anyways, okay, bro. Cool. That works. And then I'm guessing this returns a boolean. It returns a hash map. Couldn't remove. If I only want it to be, is it atomic? Like I don't want it to only partially remove items though. Like if you don't have enough items. Actually, to be fair, if you specify an amount more than you have, maybe it should just deposit the rest. Actually, yeah, that's probably fine to be fair. Because I'll just like send a message saying how much they deposited, so at least they're aware. Pardon me. So then just amount minus equals, and then dot size. Actually, wait, no. Dot get 0 would have to be dot size. Dot amount. I don't know what that means. Ohio Sigmas. And then if amount more than 0. Actually, no, I'll just do less than or equal to 0. 0 items draw. And presumably they'll get the idea if they just don't, like if they put to deposit 64 but they don't have 64, they'll get the idea if they get this message that they just don't have that item. Yeah, I know nothing about that, and based on Derp's response, I feel like I shouldn't Google that. So yeah, I'm gonna stay out of that. Yes I do. But I'm needing to exercise for it, because I cannot do the archers properly, because I wanted to do a solo dive. Because with tandem, you don't really need to do anything. You just kind of lie there, and the tandem does everything for you. But for a solo dive, you've got to do everything yourself. So I need to be able to do the arches properly, and it takes a lot of core strength, which I do not have. Anyways. Oh, and then return. And then I just plug in dot deposit items dot get player dot put dot passion. Yep, I did indeed. You don't say. Item type, sorry. Item type 0, and then plus amount. That should do. Oh, dot get. Oh wait, no, that's fine. Also, I'll make sure that this didn't error. Illegal startup statement. Oh, must have been while I was mid-typing. I'll give it some time to start the package first before continuing. Yep. And support classify what? Oh god. I haven't specified a version yet. I'm so good. With like not that. I haven't specified 65 anywhere. This is supported by JDK. Oh, this is 1.20. I might have to downgrade then. Does it specify which version it's compiled to? It does not. I'm just gonna Google the error. I swear I've set the compile version. Yeah, that should do that. It is 21, right? Yep. I'm not using Gradle though, which is a bit annoying. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to specify Maven. Be the same thing. Aren't I already using? Oh, I might just need a newer version of the shape plugin. Okay, that's fair enough. And then okay, that should be fine then. Try that. I mean, I've got Minecraft open, but only for testing this plugin. I'll probably not be playing it. I do not use Microsoft as my search engine. I use it as my browser. And Microsoft Edge is basically absolutely no different to most other browsers. Oh, because it's shaded now. I guess I'll just start testing instead then. Don't need to recompile it. I used to use Google Chrome, and I have plenty of browsers installed if I need them, all set up. It's just, I have no problem with Microsoft Edge. And it lets me use GPT-4 for free, so I'll take that. Right, no error. Oh wait, it's still initializing. I don't know why it's always on legacy material support, but oh well. Oh wait, I think I know why. I need to specify the API version. See if that fixes it next time. For the time being, I'm just going to make sure that the commands work. I assume if I just do /ItemRace, it defaults to the help command. No? Oh, just nothing works. Okay. What unstable API am I using? What? Is that just another thing where I haven't specified the API version? I'll just have to restart and see if it fixes it for the time being. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna full screen while I check Discord stuff. Okay. Derp is the famous derp attack, or Richard P. Wiener. The question was about him. And it didn't need to enable legacy support. Okay, cool. So that was indeed the problem. And then I'll see, at least the first problem. Next thing is... that still doesn't work. Oh god, you've set him off. I'll have to check this. Why is help command generation unstable? I swear this has existed for ages. Okay. Oh well. There was manager, right? Yep, cool. What was the warning? Oh, is this just about meta-inf? Okay. That's probably fine. TheFatRat is great. It seems to load a lot quicker once it's not having to enable legacy support, so that's weird that one line can make it so much quicker, but okay, cool. And it does do it by default. That is not PIE, that is PI, and it is not equal to 3.14. It is roughly equal to 3.14159265353793238463479542841976395397. Yeah, that's a lot of digits. I'm just gonna game world do mob spawning. I have a college friend who several years ago we challenged each other to see how many digits of pi we could memorize in a week, so I know a few. Anyways, I already have this in my history and I was typing it. I literally have autism, so that I don't think that's him doing me. I quite appreciate Derp not doing me. Yeah. Like, she's just stating a fact. Sadly not. I think I got 53 digits and he got 74. So, oh well. Anyways, /ItemRace. For now, I'm just gonna try depositing nothing. Cool. Oh, also, that's interesting that it's like colons do the same thing. Anyway, so I can't deposit air, and if I do this and do 0, okay, well, I'll check what that is. Amount must be greater than 0. Okay, and then I'll have a different error message anyways. You do not have... and then I'll subtract it after, and that way I can still access the amount to print about it. You do not have amount. Forward layers tab complete. If amount equals amount not removed. The guy I was competing against got a grade 9 in maths. I can't remember what I got. I think it was a grade 8. I think. I'm not too sure though. I am not doing so well in A-level maths, so oh well. Okay. And I don't get paid by YouTube. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time for that. Okay. Next thing. Was it 1? There was still an error. Okay. Wait, it's a hash map. What? Why does it use a hash map if the key is just the index? Why does it not just use a list? Okay, that's strange implementation, but oh well. Actually, it can just be a map. I don't really need to worry about the implementation. And then so just, okay, there is it. Cool, that should be fine. And then what if I have this? Can't deposit air. And then one, I should probably do an easier one to type. I'll just do dirt. One dirt. Okay, that works. Cool. Now to restart and make sure that my fixes work as well. Okay. I've just realised, are you a monitor? On a full screen. I don't know why I tabbed out to full screen when I was already on Streamlabs, but oh well. I'll quickly make you mod. There you go. And then it's also obvious to people that you want just a fellow rando. He, him. Right, just got a stack of dirt. So I can't deposit air. I can't deposit one air. Can't deposit one air. Oh, it auto completes. That's cool. For materials. I don't like that it's in all caps, but I guess it makes sense. Yeah, I have a feeling it's not going to end well, but I'm going to answer the question seriously. One dirt. Oh, there's still an error. Okay. One, I'll just do oak planks. Okay, I don't have that to deposit. Is there a way to just dot name? Okay. No, it'll be a bit nicer in the chat. And then if I do 64 dirt, it'll deposit 63 and there'll still error, but I'm not sure why. Get our default. Okay. Okay, I do not care about spiders, and I also presume that you're just being dumb. else. Actually, I'll just do, yeah, and get all default. And then the current amount deposited. and your base for that derp. It's trolling because I know perfectly fine well that there isn't a spider behind me. And as I said anyways, I would not care less. Test this. And then while the server starts, I'll make a start on the... Actually, I'll just do the leaderboard for now, because that'll probably be the easiest one. I'm not quite sure how you expect that to work. And then... that works. I want to enumerate though. Dot. What's the easiest way to enumerate? I mean, I could just do like an end counter, but no, I don't want to type. Yeah. Okay, so I basically just have to do it myself. Sure. Actually, I'll have to sort them as well, though. So what I'll do is map it. Dot stream dot map. Oh, that is awful. That is... Jesus. Although actually, oh, I guess that is kind of necessary. You're just trying to get me copyright claimed. Am I still in frame? I am barely in frame. Ah. There we go. I've got my knees up, but oh well. It's comfy. I can't lie, I only know one Nirvana song, and I don't really like it, so... For... that's basically what I want, but I need to do logs. No, not logging, like, math log. To be fair, I don't even know if it is a Nirvana song, but it says Nirvana a lot. I'm not going to sing it, but presumably it's a Nirvana song that says their name a lot. And I think it also has a lot of another language. This is just from memory though, and I have not heard the song in years. That one. I'll quickly go to the end of the decade. I'm gonna go. Okay, I don't know the name of the song either, which doesn't help, but... Oh wait, is Nirvana that one that has that weird smiley face logo thing? That I always see on, like, t-shirts. Okay, it is. Oh, and it's that weird one that, yeah. I'm so good with not listening to them. Yeah. I don't think that is actually the one that the song I was thinking of is from, though. Oh. Yeah, that is the song I was thinking of. Close enough. You know, it's... oh, God. Right, anyways. Oh, so I just have to... It's just a static method of math. Fair enough. So it's basically the same as JavaScript. That is useful. Nirvana, Nirvana, Havana, same thing. What does it do? I'm guessing it defaults to a base 10 log. Oh no, base E. I need base 2. Actually, nah, I'll just keep to base 2 because then it's more Minecrafty. Because like Minecraft players know their bases of 62, or powers of 62 mostly. So, oh, sorry, I thought I switched. Yeah, log. How can I do with a different base? You have to use a trick. That's dumb. That should really just be a built-in thing. I mean, I guess it is basically just getting the number of bits necessary, but that is a really weird implementation. Is there some like Apache method for it or something, like Apache Commons? How loud is actually is it? Because I'm not going to turn it up if it's already like nearly louder than me. Second. Okay, to be fair, the music is a bit quiet. Sure, I'll make it a bit louder. Hopefully that's better. I can imagine this is not very efficient though, so I'll do the trick method, I suppose, for efficiency. Is int only 8 bits? Oh no, 8 bits of hex. That makes more sense. Then doesn't this method only work for... I don't know how this method works. Oh. Okay, so which one's the bin log? Oh, just the number of the zeros, okay. Is it +1? I don't think it is +1. Yeah, I'll leave it at that. Oh wait, I just realized you said switch up, not turn up. You probably meant to just change the music. Oh wow, it's turned up now. Why would I do that? Oh, because this is assuming I'm not using the other entry. Which, am I, to be fair? Oh wait, yeah, because I'm going to have to return another entry. Fair enough, though. Oh wait. Actually, can I just entry dot? No, I can't just set it. Oh well. Dot get key and then total. Actually, I'll just see score. Yeah, that makes sense. Then what's wrong with that? Entry is abstract, cannot be instantiated. Great. I guess just new source then. PayPal really needs to implement the item type already. This can just store star. Stream. I'm not going to be able to easily do the spaces thing. Oh well, just... why was that counting me? No, oh, I'm not yet. In position plus 1. And then yeah, that's annoying. What does this? Oh, it's just back to a stream, okay. For... Is that like a separate display name thing? Okay, no, I'm guessing this is just deprecate get name. In favor of display name, okay. Hello, Alan. Why have I just had this open all the time? What was it that I was even needing to test? Oh right, yeah, deposit names. And then slash deposit 1A, 1 dirt, and then 428 dirt. Cool. Oh, I'll need to make it output as well. And you don't have 120 dirt to deposit. That is annoying. Did I? Oh, whoops. Well, I'll make it output first, and then I can also test the leaderboard. I'm making an ItemRace plugin, so basically just players will compete to get as many items as possible, and they get scored based on... they get a point for the first of an item they get, and then another point for the next 2, and then the next 4, the next 8, 16, 32, 64, etc. So they don't get like 1 point for every block, because then people would just grind a bunch of like leaves or something. So people are still encouraged to try and get like some more unique items, because that way they can get a point by just getting one of that item, but then they can still grind stuff like cobblestone and leaves and get a few points by getting a lot of them. That's the idea, at least. Anyway, so why is it? Oh, because I thought I did item type as well. I'll probably have to have a calculate score. Just return score. And then overlay map, player, integer, calculate. I do not like that space. Calculate scores, and then this will just that looks reasonable. I didn't know this could have multiple arguments. Oh wait, what? Yeah, I do have a loud keyboard. That works for me. I'm going to separate this over multiple lines though. Cool. And then plug in calculate scores. Oh wait, no. Plug in calculate scores. And then just get scores stuff sorted. Oh wait, no, okay, wait. Okay, what's wrong with this? Oh, dot collect. Just to collection, I guess. Does that work? Java iterator No, I don't want to do it in order of insertion.
Infinite power.
Oh, that's interesting. That works for me. Doesn't quite solve the problem yet, but this. And actually, that limit 10 works as well. I will take that. This guy is basically doing exactly what I need. For God's sake, just let us select properly. Yo, well. How is this a static context? I see what it is, but this should work fine. Is that the problem? Why is it not even letting us import this? Also, what's the linked hash map versus tree map? I don't find it very useful for fixing code, but often for debugging it's useful, which is basically what I'd use Stack Overflow for anyways, so yeah, AI is pretty good. There is a reason that I have GitHub Copilot chat up here. I don't use Claude that much right now. Currently I mostly use Grok chat. I just because of the speed, like, what's a good question to ask? Write a Python implementation of a tree saw, that's not a thing. But just off a Tim saw, that's the one that Azure likes. Like, that is so quick. Like, Jesus Christ. Because often if I'm like using ChatGPT or Claude or something, I'll type the response and then I'll watch a YouTube video while I wait for it to type because I can't be bothered to just watch it type. Because it's not that slow. Like, I'm not going to finish any kind of YouTube video by the time it finishes, but it's slow enough that I get bored just watching it. Anyways, is that the thing that they just added to Google Chrome? With like, window.ai? Or is that just a fancy term for, Gemini? Oh wait, no, language processing unit. Oh, are they making their own? Oh, what? I thought Grok was the LPU. Oh, grok is just how you use the LPU. I can't lie, this entire time I thought grok was a hardware manufacturer. Well, yeah, it is. Where did it mention that it's Google? Probably shouldn't watch that on stream. Where? Oh, was that just a name you made? I thought that was like the official name for it. Fair enough. I mean, isn't it already basically globalized though? Because I'm pretty sure you can buy them. In fact, wasn't that literally on the page I was just on? Available for our partner. How much does it cost? Should I get one? No. What? What the fuck is this? But how many partners do I have to go through? Whatever. I don't care. Okay, that's a lot for a consumer. But that's... I honestly would have expected to be higher. Like that much for this, for the hardware behind grok. Doesn't... I mean, to be fair, grok probably has a lot of these. I doubt they just run it all on one, but... I don't really know like about different types of LLMs. I know the Transformer Python library because that's what I used to use, but I don't really know about like how they work. That's cool. Isn't that basically what an LPU is though? Or is an LPU not specific to Transformer-based models? I don't know too much about AI or hardware in general. That's more as you as thing. I don't keep up with hardware. I'm a software guy. Oh, tensors. Yeah, I don't know the difference. I'm guessing by you getting excited about it though, it's like Transformers are better or something. Although isn't like all of the... Although that's not really language. I was about to say like, isn't like Stable Diffusion and stuff based on tensors? Nice, Danny. To be fair, like I find image generation more impressive just because images seem so much more random. But I feel like that randomness actually makes it easier to generate because they can get away with a lot more. Because I guess with language processing, if it's not right, you can easily tell. Whereas if a pixel of an image isn't right, that doesn't really mean anything. That's a weird thing that to think about. Because images are so much like cooler, I can't lie, but they are probably a lot easier to make. Anyways, how did we even get onto this? Also, my camera's in the way of the top of my screen. I just want to iterate over it. Wow. Wait, it used to be called Google Collections, because I've always known it as Guava. Like, even back when I was making the Java CPU. Oh, and by the way, Will, I think I mentioned the Java CPU to you, but it wasn't, like, public at the time. But it is public now. So if you want to check it out, then it's here. Nice. What's it called? Like the GPT-2 spin-off thingy, which I think was just a pre-evolution of GPT-4o, but I haven't played too much with GPT-4o, and that seems better at drawing images, but I think it is mostly just based on memory, because like that was the whole thing about drawing a unicorn and stuff. I don't even have ChatGPT pinned anymore, or bookmark. That's probably not something I should show on screen. Or at least, like, I should double check first. Okay, I have no idea what any of that means, which presumably means it's not going to dox us. Cool. It just defaults to 4.0, right? When it can. Draw a unicorn. Oh wait, it's gonna do nope, it's writing code. I forgot that that's a thing it does now. Cancel. Is that not clear? I haven't used ChatGPT in so long now. How do I just clear? Oh, I have to. Okay. I'm used to using GPT-4 via Microsoft Edge and like Copilot. Anyways, draw a unicorn using ASCII. Oh, okay, there we go. Let's see. I've heard as you are talking about that, but I know nothing about it. I've made some fire acronyms for stuff I've made for college, but all of the acronyms start with my college's name, so I'm not going to say them on stream, but I'll DM you some of them. Back to Hopper before I dox that. Shut up, Danny. How can I make my keyboard quieter? Like, what do you expect me to do? Razer Black Widow Chroma something. Torment Edition. It's a long name. This one. I just use my camera as a microphone. I have a like handheld, that looks sus. I have like a handheld microphone, but I don't want to use a handheld one. And I don't like have a space on my desk to attach one, and I don't want to buy one. I need to stop doing that. A Micom, yeah, I do not have anywhere on my desk to do that. Yeah. Like, let me quickly show you my desk, and you tell me where you expect me to put a Micom. There is no space. Like, I could maybe put one there at best, but I doubt it would even attach there. There is just no space. Oh. Why is it falling? Oh, that's why. So then it would just be in the same place as the camera, wouldn't it? Unless I, like, do it behind me? But then that would just sound like it would be even more shit. For different reasons. Also, wait, so I do have the chat there. Wait, what? Oh, there. Okay, I can hide that then. It probably does, but I don't know how it would suppress the noise of my keyboard. I mean, oh, well, there's the unicorn, but realistically it will just be copy-pasted, because it's always standing as well, so... anyway, so... monkey type. Let's see how loud it is if I'm trying to speed type. I'm gonna have to type the chat, because it is... Actually, wait, can I not make it so it's centered? Is it tape mode? I can't remember if I do letter or word, usually. I haven't done monkey type in ages. I'll try this. I have not monkey typed in I've just said that, but I'm probably not going to be any good. Okay, I need letter, Jesus Christ. Cool. Also, wait, this is 10 words. That is shit. Those, even on 10 words, 75, Jesus Christ. I'll just do 15 seconds. I can't bother with 30. That is sad. I used to average like 110. That's awkward. I think let's have a look at this graph real quick. Oh, that's a cool... Yeah, you can see how long it's been since I've done it, Jesus Christ. That is sad. I've well and truly fell off. What? I haven't done this in ages and it's just ruined me. What? Oh. That's better. Also, wait, what? That's my record? What? Huh? That... How did I just go straight from doing, like, my worst and then just beat my record the next... Huh? Sure. That's... What? Okay, good for you, Danny. Also, yes, I use control backspace, like, if I'm actually typing, but for some reason, I can't get into the habit of it with monkey type, and I don't know why. Like, you'll probably see me using it a lot when I'm coding. Like, if you just go back in the VOD, I was using it a lot back then. I'm gonna quickly check Discord notification. Oh, V0 update. Okay. I have not experienced that bug, so that does not affect me. I'm still confused how... What happened just... Okay. So after not practicing for ages, Okay. Sure. Anyways, yeah, that's wild. Anyways. I just want to iterate. What is the point of this? What? You could just do over the iterable, but oh well. I mean, over, like, lines. Wait, why have they even done it? Huh? I don't know what they're doing there, oh well. Can I just do to list? It'll be easier. Cool, it doesn't need to be modifiable. Oh, okay, why is... Oh, okay, fair enough. Wanna double this. That's a bit better, okay, sure. And then just make sure this works. Need my chat. You did not need to see that notification. God. Oh god. I wish there was an easy way to just disable notifications, because I know that if I go in here, nope, I don't want to show stuff. Where's the thing on the bottom? There's supposed to be a thing on the bottom that anyways, there's something that has like a silent thing on Windows, but for some reason it does not work in like Chromium stuff, like Chromium notifications, so oh well. Right, anyways, make sure that everything works. Slash deposit. Okay, that's... I don't even think I tried to fix that, I can't lie. Oh wait, because it was coasted. Never mind. Okay. Cool. Let's go. And then I'll do a partial as well, just to be safe. Actually, no, I'll just do this. And then I'll just do 70, sure. Okay, cool, that works. Oh, and I want to test the message as well. And 30, deposited 26, cool. And now, slash leaderboard. Why is that its own command? That's not what I meant to do, but okay. ItemRace leaderboard. Why is it its own command? How can I make it so it's exclusively under this? Oh, apparently I've closed that. Can you click? Thank you. How can I make something specifically a root? Oh, have I not done subcommand? Oh. Okay, that makes sense. sake. I'm not, I don't usually do keyboard shortcuts, also apparently that just doesn't work. Okay, sure. Interesting. Also, I hate this scroll wheel. I've already imported you, haven't I? I'm just gonna have to... That is so dumb. Why? Oh, because I did capitals. Whoops. Fair enough. Anyways, so did it... What was the problem? Rather? 7:30. I can't remember if that's correct, so I will do reset. I guess I'll just be its own command. I also should probably do like some confirmation messages. And I'll do colors later, I'm not going to bother with them yet. So dirt, I'll deposit 1. What if I just do, okay, yeah. Deposit 1, and then leaderboard, 0. Okay, that should be 1. Deposit another 1, and I'm guessing it'll be 1. Yep. And then if I deposit another 1, it should stay as 1. Yep, and then if I deposit another 1, it should be 2. And then another 1. Actually, I'll just do another 3. It should be 3. Cool. Okay, so it kind of works. I just need to make this. So maybe the comment thing was right before. Is it going to suggest something? Cool. So it agrees with me now. So now, what was the other issue? Oh right, first one was I need to do .get name. Wait, I'm doing .display name already. Oh, it's a component. Okay, that's annoying. Is there a... okay. Dot append. New text component. No, that is not what I meant to do. Is it just component.text? Okay, that's fair enough. Is that dot number then? Int? Oh, okay, I guess not. Oh, I can do that in value. Okay. Dot append component.text. No, dot append. This is annoying, but oh well. Oh, separate the noise. That's a dumb format. Wait, what now? Eh? Oh, well, I just forgot to do multiple of them. Fair enough. That should be fine. And then... is there anything else? Oh right, yeah, I was when I do messages. Wait, no, not system but out. Oh, and that's the only other command. Okay, guess I'll just make sure this works. So I did do limit 10, right? Cool. Why am I going? I did not specify. So I should have just cleared all items. Oh, offline play. This does extend offline play, right? Yes. I panicked for a second that I was going to show my IP, but it's localhost, so it's fine. Oh wait, I shouldn't leave that on DMs. Okay.
Coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space. I'm lost and I can't find a way. Oh, all the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed.
Okay, so I might have not needed that after all. I'll keep it though. Whatever. the difference between player and player profile? And I'm guessing that player is also only if they're online. Okay. Wait, so does dot get name only work if they're online as well? No, not by name. I'm used to JavaScript syntax. I just want to do all to have it carry over. What is the easiest way to handle it? I mean, they're only going to be on the leaderboard if their name is known, so it should be fine. But I'm just going to assert it's null. Test the leaderboard as well. Oh wait, yeah. Deposit 20, sure. And then it should be. it is 4, right? 1, 2, 4, 8. No, it should be 5. I should have 5 points, and I do indeed. Although that is way too many equal signs. Is there a way to get the chat width? Is that a thing that Spigot offers? The image doesn't work. I'm guessing it's an image thing. Oh, wait, no, it's a spigot. Okay, don't know what's up with that then. That should not be an advanced thing, but sure. Is the source code available? Is it just like a fixed width, or...? No, I'll just do like 16 or something then. Actually no, 32, which would be about half of it. Actually wait, no. Does it show on the bottom right how much the selection is? Okay, cool. So then this should also be 32. Cool. And then actually wait, I'll quickly do where is it? Optional. No. Okay, of course it isn't. And I don't think I can do new lines either. Oh well. No, that is not right. Wait, no. If somebody instance of cool. And then if plugin dot deposited items dot is empty. That should be fine. What's this error? Oh, right. Get name. Restart the server. Oh wow, I've got chat hidden still. I'm not going to do the chat anyways. Haven't missed anything. That seems fine. And then I'll just reset. Make sure the other message works. Oh wait, I still need to end it though. Wait, what? Oh wait, because it returns. Hold on. Should be fine. Make sure the help is decent. Oh, I need to set the names, don't I? Actually, wait, yeah. What's a better way to format it? Stop the ball. So, I have just realized I've basically finished it now. It's just the inventory and showing a scoreboard that I want to do now. But this could just be initial commit. This is a working sample kind of how it works. So actually, yeah, I'll do one more test. I'll remove on inventory. Actually, I'll just keep it as to do. And commit this, and then I'll do the. Should I do the inventory or the scoreboard first? Because both are going to be quite painful. I'll do inventory first. And then once I've got the inventory working, I'll have a go at getting a scoreboard on the right. Oh. ItemRace help. Make sure that works now. Oh, why is there an arc0 for help? Okay, well, oh well then. And then I'll quickly do. Oh wait, no, that was the wrong thing. Leaderboard. It should say nobody is. Oh wait, I'll remove 1, 2, 3, 6. Correct us there. Wait, I don't think I did 6 there. Nope, I did. Cool. And then slash ItemRace deposit. I'll do 100, sure. And then leaderboard. Cool. Let's go. Was there anything else? I guess resetting. Cool. That seems fine. And I'll do a quick few extra tests of this. Like what if I do negative 100 dirt? Cool. I should probably have it, if it's negative, it deposits all items though. That's not very easy to understand now. Wait, I'll make sure it still works for the item in your hand. Cool. And then if I do this, I don't think I've actually tested that, but that does work. Cool. Also, wait, didn't I set that to name? Is the name still just in all caps? I'll need to know locale. For now, I'm not going to bother with locales. Like translations, internationalization, that's the word. I'll just do .get name, and then surely there's like a title case thing, right? .name then. And then is there a title case? Lowercase will do. It's better than all caps, I suppose. Yeah. Actually, to be fair, I don't even need title case. Lowercase is better. Cool. Well, that's an initial commit. I'm gonna make the GitHub repository quickly. I'll copy the description over. every word in the description. I'll commit the license and readme. Actually, do I bother with readme? Nah, I can't be bothered. Copy this link. Next. Set the remote to that. Don't know why it takes a lot to load. And then just initial commit. That's all good. Cool. 10 warnings, oh god. That's fine. Unused import statement, I'll fix that. Field is ongoing, that also isn't necessary anymore. And then these are all fine. Yeah, that's all fine. Cool. That's fine. I am fine with those warnings. Boom. Oh, it's about to open Discord. What? Why is the link on? Let's go. I'll quickly star it. Do not need. Actually, it says that's fine. Probably shouldn't show settings, but I do not need wikis or projects. The rest is fine. Cool. Now it's cleaner. Why is it still showing releases? Didn't I click save? Do I just need to refresh? Oh wait, no, my releases is fine. It was just that's annoying. Cool. Yippee. Oh. Right, so next thing is the inventory. So send data I online. Yeah. Open inventory. Cool. And then inventory equals new inventory. No, I don't need all those methods. Jesus Christ. How do I? Apparently that. Is that actually correct? Oh, it's deprecated. In favor of inventory holder. I mean, I guess the sender can be the owner. That probably is just a pagination API though, because people will probably deposit, like, it's not unlikely that people will deposit more than 54 items. Actually no, paper pagination. Paper MC pagination. Chat paginator? That's just a built-in thing to paper? Hold on, what? Oh wait, no, chat page. No, that's Spigot page inventory pagination. Surely there's an API for it. Oh, look at a few of these. That seems perfect for me. How is this not just an API though? I guess it is mostly a menu I'm looking for, actually. And then I'll have a look at if there's any paper-specific ones. Doesn't look like it. Just want to get an idea of my options. Java 8, okay. This is a little bit outdated. Okay, that's a plugin I need to install. I want to avoid that. We'll put on some good kid. So no screenshots of it. Oh, this is another plugin now. Yeah. This is a bit outdated. There's probably a lot of things that need to fix. Is that like a modern version of this? There's gotta be a thing. I'm not just gonna have to create my own. Okay, this seems fine. Paginations, that's what I want. This looks good. Okay, yeah, this looks perfect. Okay, I'll use this then. Let's go. Oh, does it not have a... Oh, it's on Maven Central. That's good. I don't need a separate repository. Oh, that's not what I'm okay. Tell me no, tell me it's okay. Never drop down on one, and I'm falling every day. Tell me no, tell me it's okay. 'Cause you'll find me anyway, you'll find me anyway. So do I even need to do the initialization thing? What was that on about? Nothing of a different thing. I need an inventory manager. Does it not have documentation and an inventory manager? That's not working. Jesus Christ. Oh wait, okay. I presume I'll be able to keep the inventory manager as static later on, but for now I'll just keep it as this. Why is it not getting the... Usually it imports it fine. This is annoying. I do not care about the ID. So can this just be the manager? No. For God's sake. I did not mean to open... Okay, I'm not taking anything cool. Good. Okay, I guess just chess then. Sure. Just wait, oh wait, it had that, wait. Inventory type dot chest. Cool. Oh wait, that's not provider. For God's sake. How can I just use... Okay. Why was it in all caps there? Oh well. I assume I can just let it automatically choose the size for us, but I'll double check. Okay, defaults to 6 and 9, which is the maximum, so that's fine. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I can close, that's fine. Don't need a parent. Oh, I need to view this. Or is it just a stack of knockouts? Does this not... What? It implements inventory owner, what do you mean? Oh wait, inventory... Oh, for God's sake. I'm just gonna have to look at the source code. Where's the example? Jesus Christ. Oh, that wasn't an example. I'm going crazy. Oh, yeah. I just want pagination. It looks so simple. I'm guessing this is the inventory provider, or the content provider, rather. Okay, well that I already have. And then updated said could just be empty, so I'll just leave that as is. Material and actually, wait, no, what am I doing? Yeah, this is fine. So, what's the contents for? Not I'll just remove this and I'll figure it out. Okay, maybe I do need this. And me like a full example, please. I've just realised this is also quite out of date, but hopefully it works. Oh, it's not one of the tested Minecraft versions at all. Oh god. Well, fingers crossed. I still don't understand where this is from. Actually, that works as well. She's just see you come back home. But each step that you took closer, well, you took each one. Time you said, my God, I wouldn't do that on my throne. I've been waiting, she's like, what? I don't understand what I'm doing. Sure, is it this? No, it's of course it's not. Okay, that might be fine actually. When you said that, I Just too hot to get forgotten, frozen, so we're living by the creases. Since then, these days it's all I ever wanted, it's all I ever wanted to know. What it is that keeps me from letting you go. And you know what it is that keeps me from letting you go. I don't even know what it is that keeps me from letting you go. It's not what I thought. I guess we go we want. These days all I hear are words that I forgot. Stop those memories, I'd rather lose the lot. Since then the days are getting longer and I keep getting lost in the snow. And these days it's all I've ever wanted, it's all I've ever wanted to know. What it is that keeps me from letting you go. And you know what it is that keeps me from letting you go. I don't even know what it is that keeps me from letting you go. It's all that I thought. And if we go we want. Cause we go we want. Cause we go we want. Cause we go we want. See if this works. It probably won't, but worth a try. Oh wait, that's in fire anyways. Where's it? Oh, where's it? Oh. Forget this time you fix it. Bring it on the thoughts for you. Till my mind pretend it happened. Still you'll be fine. Others can find the lines. Fingers crossed. Jesus Christ. And again, could you repeat the question? Oh, I guess I can do that. No way it first became a problem. Sorry that it's all such messy words. They seem to leave me. Didn't really quite catch where there's something on it repeating. This time, say that we'll be fine. I just can't find the lines. To say we put it all away. We put it all away. Why am I talking so quietly? Can't keep it together ever anyway. Every page is in disarray. I think we'll be okay that way. That way. The margin must be set to this set. Hey. So I don't like change, but I'm not afraid I can go together. It's on 22, that's what that's updated. I'm confused. Maybe it needs to be initialized first. Why this would make a difference, but we'll see. I'm gonna look at the implementation. Let's just see what it has to do. Oh, because this is for if it's oh right, yeah, that makes sense. Never mind. I can tell you. And then this card like that. No errors, let's go! Now to see if it actually works. So to start with, it should be empty. And... crap. It's always a surprise. It's always a surprise. But it's always a surprise. It's always a surprise. But it's always a surprise. It's always a surprise. When the top comes in. But it's always a surprise. It's always a I'm getting quieter and quieter over time for some reason. Okay, so that needs to be lower, but that's fine. And then I can use deposit. Nice. Is it sorted in the right order? I'll get one of these, and then wait, what I was going to do. Deposit. That's annoying as well. Doesn't show more than 64. I'll have to set the name, I guess. I think 64 is fine to show that it's higher than 64 though. Also, it's ordered in the wrong way. I'll just reverse that. Another just double reverse. Is this it? Oh, okay. Where was it that I found that? I can't quite get enough time on the inside of it's like a dust. Falling in between the dance and the sun. And to be up that that's around too. the difference between display name and item name? Okay, that's strange. Sure. I'm going for it now. It's cool that I predicted I was going to do that, like. 2. Winning the ground. Missed the bracket though. Look at the gun. It wasn't always that easy, no, it wasn't always that slow. When the guns captured me, but I was sick, there was nowhere left to go. It wasn't always that easy, no, it wasn't always that slow. Just thought you liked to know, just thought you liked to know. That should work. I've done inventories already. That's cool. On the star, I realized I'm very hungry though. I'm not tired yet though, so I do want to eat something proper. So I want to eat something that I'd end the stream for, but I don't want to end the stream because I want to continue coding as soon as I've done eating. I don't want to have to restart the stream in just like 20 minutes. What's the best thing to do? Like it seems pointless having an entirely separate stream just dedicated to doing the scoreboards, because it shouldn't take much longer than it took to do the inventories. One sec. That seems a bit like, because then new viewers will come. Yeah, but a be right back screen for 15 or so minutes is a bit long. Like, I'm gonna be eating for longer than it justifies keeping the stream on, but for shorter than it justifies creating an entirely new stream. It's awkward. I should probably remove underscores actually for that. Oh well. That works. Cool. So now she just remove the underscores. Wait, why am I that something? There we go. I keep forgetting it reads from other files for some reason. But anyways, get item display. The material display. This is a long name, oh wow. That was quick. It just got what I was wanting instantly. Nice. Don't you know this? Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the fine time. Listen to you up on bouncing. You some mate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you wake up one day. Just let me say. But when I talk to you, you head like try through the sheets through my heart. Like you, don't you feel it to confess I love you from the start? What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed, staring to the blue. I don't think I've ever actually listened to any of Laufey's songs besides this. I probably should at some point because they seem good. I don't actually know their pronouns. Oh well. I'm gonna have to handle it with other players though. From the I had a slight feeling you liked our music, just a slight feeling. What's the easiest way to handle this? I'll create a new one each time, whatever. They depend on each other, it's annoying. How am I supposed to handle that? this works. What is next to you? Try to stand and make it down the hall, but in the sun. Barely here at all. I wanna meet you at a slow dance. I wanna meet you at a slow. We're gonna switch up full screen over. I wanna meet you at a can't speak. Or a dead across the room. I wanna meet you at a slow dance. I wanna meet you at a soon soon. I wanna meet you at a can't speak. Or a dead across the room, but I am trying so hard to meet you. Fingers crossed. I mean, I can't fully test it until I have another play out, but I should be fine. So this should be empty. Nope. Okay, there we go. Cool. And then if I do. Is there a way to remove the border? Also, that is quite long. Okay. What was the other thing I was testing? Oh wait, it hasn't done the first capsule anymore. How does this display? Okay, this does title case. I should probably just do title case then. But what was the other thing I was working on? Oh, right, yeah. Cool. That works then. Nice. I'll just quickly make it so it's title case. is it? Commons LAN. I hate when things don't actually just let you select, but oh well. Maybe there was a cat and there was... Oh, never mind, that was the right thing. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, is it S and stuff? Really? Oh my god. I love American versus British stuff. Anyways. And then this, I don't need to do that anymore. Why is that not just a thing though? Okay, surely it is. Spigot, get display name of material. Now you have to create a blank item, yeah, whatever. It's fine. Should be good to go then. I'll quickly test the text stuff just to make sure that works and then I'll commit. And then go eat. I'll check if there's anything on YouTube to watch, because if there's a lot of stuff I want to watch on YouTube, I'll probably just watch that and then go to bed. That's not that much. Oh well. I'll turn the stream off, and if I decide to continue coding, I'll make a new stream. Anyways, let's see if this works. That is not title case. What happened to it being title case? Does it need to be lowercase to start with? That is dumb. I guess it does. Oh wait, so does this literally only do the first one? Okay, so it's word usual someone. I thought that was a separate thing. Okay. Glad I tested that, because I thought it was a simple enough thing that I wouldn't need to, but guess I did. Cool, and then inventory. Cool. Oh wait, I still haven't fixed that. Why is that? Oh, I'm guessing this... Does it default to 0? No. I'm guessing those are indexes inside the inventory to start with, from. Can't see the implementation though, which is great. No, I just want to look at the source code actually. Can I just look at it on GitHub? For God's sakes. No. So I want to see if it defaults before I just rerun to test. What's it on? Pagination. And then add to it. Why have they separated the implementation? That is so dumb. So it doesn't do that by default. That's sad. Oh well. See if this works. Yo, Paulo, you've came basically at the end of the stream. I'm about to go eat, but I might restart the stream after I've done eating, which will be in about like 20 or so minutes, so we'll see. It is quite late though, so I don't know. We'll find out. How long have I even been streaming for? 3.5 hours. Okay. Well, it appears that this stream has went well. I am coding this plugin, which I will show you in a second. No. I'll quickly test the thing I've just coded first. I should probably have like a deposit all thing, but oh well. Yeah, okay, so it starts there now. And I also want to test. I'm just going to have to deposit a bunch of random items. This is a bit annoying, but oh well. I will have to add more deposit options. I'll have like a deposit inventory and deposit all in hand or something. Or just a deposit material and then it deposits everything that you have off that material. But I'll not worry about that just now. This is very annoying. But oh well. For God's sake, I keep misclicking. Oh, for God's sake. This should overflow though. Oh. Oh crap, it doesn't. Okay. Have I miscounted how many it is? Oh right, it's 5, not 6. Okay. So it'll be 45 instead of 50. Well, time to do all that all over again. For now, I'm just storing it in memory. I'm probably not going to make it persist at any point because this event, like game mode thingy, will realistically only be like a thing that people play for like a few hours at a time. It's not going to be like an ongoing thing. But maybe in future I could make it so it persists though. I should probably put my chat back on here so I can actually see when you're typing rather than having to check back into Streamlabs every time. So why do I keep getting hair on my hand? Nice. Oh. it takes time to learn. Nice. What kind of developer? Like software, web, game? Are there any items which don't have the same name as just their material and title casing without the underscores? I'm trying to think if there are any exceptions to that I'm not accounting for. I don't think there would be though. Actually, music discs, are they like that? I'll double check in a second. Ah, nice. Like back-end web dev or just back-end just for any kind of like API? Actually, I wouldn't want to just show it as music disc though, so music disc 13 is better for that. Cool. Nice. What language do you use? Also, I can't remember what I was up to. Okay, sure. Good. I do TypeScript. I've never used Go yet, though. I want to try it. Oh, crap. Nice. I've just turned 18, so I've not worked at any companies yet, but it would be cool to get into the industry. Nice, it works. I should probably rename these arrows. I shall quickly do that. I'm not going to bother testing it though, because I cannot be bothered to go through all that again. So it's consistent. And then, as I said, I'm not going to bother testing it, but it should be fine. Realistically, it's kind of an edge case to have that many items anyway, so I'm not too fussed about it. Yeah, this is fine. Cool. Double check these, but it'll probably mostly just be method not being used. Okay, unused import statement, those I'll actually fix. I swear I used to get rid of those automatically, but oh well. Cool. There we go. Changes have been pushed. And at least for the time being, that is... Oh, do you have a server or you do it for fun? I want to make a server called Stockblock, but there's been no progress on it in years. But it's also not just for fun, because I do plan on running an event. Like, it's not like a proper... Like, I can host a server temporarily to play the plugin without having, like, a full-on server that's running all the time. And that's what I'll probably be doing for this. Or more likely, Derp, who was in the chat earlier, she'll probably be hosting events with it. Or hopefully, if people want to play it. Oh, hello, Derp. Anyways, I'ma go eat. So for the time being, that's the end of the stream. I might be back in like 20 or so minutes. But we'll see if I'm just depending on how tired I am after I finish eating, and I'll probably watch a video or so. But yeah, for the time being, that's the end of the stream, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.